Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel, and today we're going to do a shave video. Real quick, I'm going to wet the face. I'm a little lost because I'm in this bathroom. Everything is in a different spot. What do I want to start out with here? Let's go ahead and do the pre-shave. I'm going to be using the Evil Cube. And I really enjoy this because it has lots of menthol. Today's razor of choice is the Blackland Dart. This is an all stainless steel razor, and look at that beauty. I'm sorry guys, this is an unobtainium razor, so if you want it, you better check out the buy sell trade groups, or just hope they come out with another one. I'm going to be using the Gillette silver blue blade, and this particular razor does have the tabs on the top cap. Sorry, not doing that in the frame there. Blade alignment, spot on. There you go. All right, and I'm going to be using Stirling Soap Company Triumph Soap. Oh yes, this is a pleasant smell, and here's a little look at the soap itself. I will put a scent description right here. And to me, it is spot on. And I know I had said I was going to be doing Christmas scents all month long. Well, guess what? You could use this scent all year long. A nice, clean, fresh smell. I do have that whipped up in the Captain's Choice copper bowl. And so I'm about to butcher the name. Anyway, it's by Paco. I'll put a little thing here again, but it is the Invictus. It is a cologne scent. Very nice. And there was something I was going to say, and I will have to say it here just after I get lathered up. I have 2 days worth of growth. I used a 1/4 teaspoon worth of soap there, and I didn't measure it out, so I can't tell you exactly. I just kind of did the old shake, shake, shake from the brush, but this is the Polar shaving brush, and is it nice? I don't know if So Sharp David ever watches my videos, but I don't know, he's always complaining, or you know, he's not too happy with the green tubs from Stirling. And when I got this one, I was a little shocked that you know, clear tub. Anyway, let's go ahead and get our shave going here. Oh wow, I haven't used this razor in a while. But it's just mowing down through it, almost like a baby's butt. For those of you who've been watching for a while, you know that it's time for a haircut. I've been letting it go a little bit too long this month. It is getting into the cool season, and so I do tend to let it, whenever I cut it, I don't go as short with it. You know, there's been a few times I've thought about selling this razor just because I don't reach for it a whole lot. And the fact that my friend Jerry has asked me about it a million times. I thought about selling it to him, but after I've been shaving with it today, Jerry, you're not in luck. Sorry, my friend. Let's go ahead and get lathered up for the second pass. Today I'm a little tongue-tied for some reason. Maybe it's because I'm halfway through the work week and I'm just ready for the weekend. As far as the Stirling soap, they have never let me down with quality or performance. And just so you guys can take a look here, this is a little bit of what I've got left in the brush. And let's take a look at what we got there. Oh yeah. You know, and that may even be a little on the dry side. Let's go ahead and go across the grain. Do you like the up close shots? This thing is pretty smooth. I will say that it is a little bit more on the aggressive side. For me, anyways. And I do like aggressive razors, so that tells you something. I know a lot of people kind of have conversations or debates about, is this razor or what other razor is it? I can't think. Is it the Roca by Mula? I do have this little spot here. Fear not, it was not the razor. Off camera, I did a cool water rinse, followed up by the ice cube, a little bit of glacial Triumph splash, and some star jelly. Can you believe it? I didn't show you guys the star jelly. Well, anyway, I'll have a little picture right here of everything that I used today. And I will definitely say it was an excellent shave for Wednesday. And I will see you guys on Sunday. Have a great weekend.